selamat pagi. Saat ini saya berada di Bangkok, Thailand. Kami hadir di IITS Ustaz untuk mengikuti acara seminar. Saya ada Pak Jamal Mustafa. Selamat pagi dari Bangkok. Baik, selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let's open this forum by reciting Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Amin. Ya Allah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jadi Andrian. I came from Aceh, Indonesia. I'm working as government employees as nationality and politics at complete resolution. I'm so glad to join this event and nice to meet you.
Even the vaccines were under trial and nobody was ready for it. Not me, not you, neither the government, nor the management. Right now, first of all, I will give you the outline of my presentation. Introduction of the team of the study resolution.
Many of young peoples coming from a part of Aceh Pelago to work there, so it's very vibrant. So my comment is like a cross-cultural research between you and Kaulima, and both of you deal with the customary law and give us how the portray of a religious